this is almost Leo's birthday. Leo's birthday is almost here. Hey, what?
Hey everybody, welcome to our live stream today. We're going to be building this Kato Unitrack crossing gate and re-railing track S124C. That'll be something we're going to be building today.
It's a gate that we're going to be building.
Yeah, we're going to build that, bud. And in that product, what you have inside is you have a couple of re-railers, or one re-railer. You have two kind of road beds that go up to the traffic gradient. You've got a set of small parts like this.
And these have to go over the track.
Yeah, the cars are going to go over the track, you're right, buddy. And then you've got a set of stickers that are really going to help us out here. And luckily, with the stickers, they give you plenty of extra parts, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it.
Just like on the real gates. Just like on the real gates.
Just like on the real one, yeah. Absolutely.
The laundry's done.
The laundry is done. I'm excited about that.
Ditto, everyone.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so what we're going to do is the instructions for the build are just on the back, so we're just going to use that to help us get started.
Because we found them.
Yeah, because we found them there. And the other thing a couple of other things I'd probably get your hands on before you start. If you have access to it, I've got a set of small tools that I use for my modeling. Looks like this. I've got some tweezers, screwdrivers, and other devices here that are kind of useful. And I would also maybe suggest you grab a pair of small scissors, and those are great for the stickers. So we're going to try this out. Okay. So let's see.
Can we go look at the gate?
Yeah, we're going to do it now. So we're going to open this up and give it a whirl. All right? Exciting, right? Exciting stuff.
Make sure don't lose the pieces.
I'm going to try not to, and that's a good point, bud. We need something that we can put these pieces into so we don't drop them, right? That's a really good point. Let me see if I can find something.
Because if we drop them, the N-scale, this N-scale stuff is really...
N-scale stuff is really, really small, so this is awesome. This is kind of funny, but I'm going to use it anyway. I've got a bucket here, and I'm just going to put my parts in there. So we'll have all our parts done. We won't lose them, and that's fine. I'm also going to grab, as I said, a small pair of tweezers.
Tweezers.
Because I think those are going to help me here and put these in.
Tweezers are also horror game.
Tweezers are also what?
Horror little things.
Right, they are, bud. Exactly. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab, that's one of the pieces. It's hard to see, but that is actually one of the pieces for the crossing gate.
Yeah.
Here's the other one.
We're going to try to figure out where it goes.
Absolutely, we're going to figure out where it goes, right? So it shows that in this case...
Go get the door.
Oh, that's not the door, bud.
What is it?
That was the washing machine, bud.
Was that the dryer?
Yeah.
I can't see it then. It makes my face up. Yeah. Right there. I want it.
Put that in. Let's see how this works.
Up and down.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so what's interesting, and I didn't notice this, is you don't actually glue this on, but the way this is designed, this piece of plastic here will keep the gate from falling off. It kind of blocks that. So that's actually a pretty nice design. Well thought out.
Yeah.
Better than I thought. So you can raise and lower these. That's cool. All right, let's put in another one, bud. We're gonna go with piece number 2. So again, we'll take one of these little tiny pieces.
I can't see.
I know it's pretty small. It's gonna
I
look
don't
like
think
that.
you can move it
And we're gonna take a
up
gate.
and down. Because this scale is perfect cards, right? It can go up and down.
And these gates appear to be the same in both directions, so I don't think it matters. Put that up there.
Why is it supposed to be 2 at a time?
What?
Why is it supposed to be 2?
Why is there supposed to be 2?
Yeah, on each side.
Just on the air, bud. Okay.
I don't know
Cool.
what to look like with 2.
I don't know. Let's do the other one. We'll do the other side here.
You want to take this one?
See how that's looking.
Yeah, you just see.
Yeah, be careful with those, bud. Okay.
Our cars can't fit through because see that when you put this up, it stays up.
I see that. I see that.
I can't believe this guy can go up and down.
It can, but you got to be very careful, bud, because it's small parts, right? Okay, so there's one more. That's what we're looking like.
Why are those looking cracks? Like, are those looking pieces? Are those looking like rectangle things right there?
I don't know, bud.
They look like a pipe.
Get this other piece on here.
And then we just have to put. Now I just connect it to the track after we're done.
Well, we got a lot more to do here, bud. We're not even halfway there. So
Yeah, we're no
slow your roll, bud.
You're a scaredy cat.
I'm not a scaredy cat.
You're a slowpoke. Okay, I'll just bring
All right,
it.
so now we've got 2 gates on there. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, bud.
And then you just have to take it.
So right now we're going to have to put a small sticker on here. And I have as I said, a very small thing of stickers here. I'm just going to cut the corner off just to make sure I know what this is, because I think it's just one big sticker, and I think I just have to cut it. I just want to make sure that's in fact what it is, because I'm not too sure. Before I make a mistake, I'm just going to test one. Here's a great spot for my tweezers, because I can't. Just checking what I got. Confirmed. Okay, that is just a sticker sheet, which is great. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I've got my stickers here. I'm going to just cut out
A sign.
I'm going to cut out one. We're going to do the American style. It says railroad crossing. Right, bud? That's what you want on there. You want that one, right? And we are going to...
Yeah, and I can't make one. Because I think we're supposed to make it.
Ever so carefully, I'm going to cut that out.
The gates were pretty fun. Oopsies.
Ever so carefully.
There's supposed to be 2 gates because it needs to stop the toys hard.
Yeah, I hear you, bud.
Crash.
Alright, ever so carefully. We're cutting this out.
Hey, look, this car can fit.
I may actually have to use this to hold it.
up now. The monster. The monster.
Okay, bud.
How will we do it? How will we do it? Oh.
So I need to cut that a little bit more, man. This is hard.
We could use this guy.
Okay, there's one.
This guy only has all the parts on.
Hey, be careful, bud. Don't bump my arm, okay? Because I don't want to mess this up for you. This is a very difficult thing to cut just because it's an X like that. So I'm really glad I have the tweezers to hold it. That's quite helpful. Quite helpful here.
Don't cut it.
All right, there's that piece.
What's on it?
I'm trying to get this one.
We're so close.
We are, bud.
We're almost done.
We are almost done.
This took pretty fast.
Yeah, it is. It's not too bad.
It's pretty fast for our friends. Because our friends help.
Our friends online. If you aren't following me, please do. It's Transportation. That's Train Sportation on YouTube. Always appreciate the likes and subscribes. Also, click that notification bell if you want to get my videos. I'm also over on TikTok at Transportation, and I am on Instagram at Trains in Action. And I appreciate any following on any platform. But of course, excited to be here on YouTube today.
I like YouTube.
We like YouTube. Yeah, well, YouTube's all right, man.
I like YouTube.
Yeah, sure you do, bud. All right, so
Yeah,
that
baby,
looks. Let's see.
yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. I got one more little cleanup to do here, maybe.
Yay, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Little bit.
All right, that looks pretty good.
Neil's birthday.
And then we'll take. What did you do with the crossing gate, bud? Did you take one? Oh, here it is. Okay. So we're gonna now try to take that sticker and we're gonna try to put it on that, if I can. So let's see if I have any luck. We're gonna first try to peel it off. There may be a better way to do this. I don't know. I've never done these before.
So I'm just.
Cutting it first seemed like the logical thing to do, but
After one's ready, I might connect it and see if it was. And then put
You
the
might
wood
connect
straight
it.
on the wheels.
okay, that came off.
Okay. Look, the gates are down from the big train.
Okay, that's what we're looking like so far. That looks pretty good. And I think we want to put a 2-track sign on there because we have 2 tracks on our train.
There's that way side and that way side. See that there's arrows on it?
Yeah, so we got to put a little sign here. Next, we're going to put the 2-track sign in there. So this is the 2-track. Put that on there.
Excellent.
Okay, oops, I dropped that.
Too tiny.
Too tiny is right. Too tiny is right. Let's see if I can pick that up. And I'm going to grab my tweezers and just, oh, be careful not to bump me, bud. All right? Because when you do that, I drop the parts. Then if I lose them, I lose them.
Well, that's how I'm supposed to do it over that thing.
Yep.
Do it over the thing.
Over the thing. That's right. Over the thing. All right.
Over the box.
Good job, conductor. Good advice. All right, let's get this little thing peeled.
See? It's a little piece.
Alrighty. Put that on there.
That's start.
Oops.
Whoops.
Oopsie, there it went.
Oopsies. We don't need trash. Trash is a great thing to lose.
Trying to get that ever so good on there.
But it's trashy down here.
It's trashy down here? Okay.
Because it's so messy.
Well, it is messy. It's our workroom, bud. I don't disagree with you.
No, it's like a mess. Bong, 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 bong. Hamburger, hamburger, hamburger.
All right. There we got the number 2 sign on there, which looks really good. And the way this works then is we just pop it in here.
Pop, pop, pop. It's popping like popcorn.
That. And the final piece is 2 gates. We're going to pop these in.
No, 2 fences.
2 fences, gates, whatever you want to call them. Oops.
No, fences. No, there's 2 fences. Okay, then.
Yeah, I know, bud. There's one.
Is one ready?
Yeah, one's ready. And then let's do number 2.
When one's ready, I'm gonna put it on. There. How about the boxes, these stickers?
And there's number 2. And we are essentially going to repeat that process for the other half and then put everything together. But I think at this point that kind of explains how it's going to go together. I want to thank you for joining us today, and we'll put the final product in a live or on another live stream on our railroad when we run it. So again, thanks for joining us today. We are Transportation. You can find us here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and we do all things N scale. Thanks.